Well, good morning. This is Starboard Africa Missions, and yes, let me start by admitting that maybe I haven't communicated as often as I should have in the last weeks, but we've been really busy, and it's been an exciting time. But this morning, it's my privilege just to tell you that we are blessed as a family, we are blessed as a ministry. God is still on the throne, and He's taking good care of us. And I hope the same can be said for you, your family, your business, your ministry, your church. Remember that we also regularly pray for all our wonderful friends and supporters. And then especially for those who contribute monthly by sending donations towards our ministry, whether it's directly for my family or for the ministry at large. Thank you. God is using you to be a blessing to the nations. Now friends, you may have noticed on Facebook that we've been sharing in the past week a new project that we've launched in the last moments of the year, and that is called Project 50. Now what we are trying to do or achieve with Project 50 is very simple. Our Bible College in Kigali is currently closed. We closed it ourselves before the government intervened to close it on our behalf, because then it will be much more difficult to reopen. It's only a temporary closure though, because we have 25 eager students that will be there in January that would like to resume their studies. So we have a window of opportunity to upgrade, renovate, and just fix up the college. We had to close it because our buildings have really fallen into disrepair. We haven't been able to do proper maintenance during the COVID pandemic, and things have just caught up with us. And if we want to walk in integrity, we simply cannot keep the doors open and accommodate students under those conditions. So I believe that God is about to move. So what we are appealing to you for on this Friday morning, I know many of you are praying and many of you are already supporting us financially. So please note that when we send these kind of requests and these videos, you are not the end goal. We rely on you to perhaps share it on Facebook, on WhatsApp, to whoever may be in your sphere of influence. Please do that over this weekend, and let's see if we cannot rally up smaller and bigger donations that can all add up, so that we can reach our 50,000 Rand goal or even more, so that our college can be adequately restored and prepared for our January return of our students. We want to bless the Lord. For all of you, I bless you. Remember that as a staff, we regularly pray for all our friends and supporters. We love you so much.